Okay, next up is Harry Ward.
Hello, everybody. My name is Harry Ward. I spoke last week about a concept or last month about GuidePool, which is for fishing outfitters and guides. With the same group of guys, we came up with an idea 2 weeks ago called TextPool, which leverages that same name and is yet a little bit different concept. It's wrapped around text messaging, and what I'm about to show you is a product that I built in 2 weeks, and we signed our first customer today. So it's kind of a cool deal. So the overall purpose of this app is nothing that's going to blow your mind. It's the ability to send text messages to a bunch of people, right? So, and then also gather text messages in a digital way. So with this, I'm able to create a promo, tie it to a pool. A pool is like a group of people that you want to text. So we'll use Meteor, for example. So maybe they want to send a text to everybody in San Francisco about upcoming dev shops. They can set the background image. They can set the logo. They can say, dev shop, reminders. Get a text. A good example of this is my roommate is like a hardcore Meteor guy, and he didn't know there was a dev shop today. So I had to remind him, but if he would have got a text message, he would have known. So what's cool about this is once you create this landing page, which I did super fast, I can track all the page views, so I can share this on my Facebook. I can embed it on my website, and so I can kind of see the performance there. I can also track the signups, and I can do all that with a nice little short link. Here's a view of what a customer would experience. If we go to mobile, it's just a really simple landing page where they can sign in, and when they do, I'm now able to go to demo pool and say, hey, there's an upcoming dev shop. Don't miss it. And so notice this turns into a short link that's also trackable. So there's actually a few people in this room that I've shown this to, so they're on this list. And so we all just received a text message. I'm able to see that 4 out of 4 delivered, and if someone, Kirk, if you could click on, actually it's a localhost link, so that's not gonna work. But anyway, it tracks links. And then what's great about this whole concept is that I integrated Stripe, so it's all contingent on how many text messages you send and how much you're going to be charged. So at the end of the month, it says, all right, this guy has 1,000 text messages, but he sent 2,000, so I'm going to charge him 2 cents for the additional 1,000 text messages. And with Stripe, once you get them to join a subscription, you're able to charge them without them really consenting. So it just kind of goes through, and it's like, boom, it emails them a receipt, like everything's taken care of. So at this point, it just kind of runs on its own. Any questions?
What service are you using to send text?
Twilio.
Can you repeat the question?
Sorry, he asked me what service I was using to send text messages, and the answer was Twilio. Any other questions? Cool.
Great, thank you.
Yep.